Afrika Borwa e begile gore go na le motho wa mathomo a swerwego ke bolwetsi bja Monkey Pox. Se morago ga diteko tše di dirilwego laporatori. Monna wa mengwaga masometharo a nago le bolwetsi bjo o dula Gauteng, efela ga ana le histori ya go etela dinageng tša ntle. Tona ya maphelo Joe Phaahla o re ba setheo sa bosetshaba sa malwetsi a fetelago ba tla šomiša mokgwa wa online go ruta bašomi ba kalafo gore ba kgone go lemoga bolwetsi bjo go dira ditlhahlobo tše tseneletšego laporatori. Go sa le bjalo, Tona o begile semmušo gore bjale badudi ba ka tlogela go šomiša dišireletšanko le molomo.
E sale e le tlhoba boroko go ba le bantsi jaanong go totobetse bolwetse ba Monkey Pox bo teng mo nageng.
The disease only spread through close contacts and not through droplets. So very dissimilar, very much unlike COVID and respiratory. It's not a respiratory disease, and it spreads through contact with an infected person.
Contact tracing is going to be important, and we'll continue to do that. But right now, it's just the one case, and it's for us as the lab people to be on the high alert and be able to identify should there be more cases and whether there's actually, a localization of those cases. But I really just want to assure everybody that, especially also with the, with everything that we have learned from COVID-19, when we're looking at the laboratory infrastructure, we've got all that it takes to be able to monitor any other new infections that might be arising.
Go le jalo Afrika Borwa jaanong ga tlhola gapeletsega go rwala di-mask. Seno se latela kwelotlase ya dikgetsi tsa tshwaetsego tsa bao ba leng kwa dipetlele le tsa dintsho.
As a public health measure, it's no more an obligation. As it has been.
It's most helpful for particularly the worshipping communities is the fact that there is no longer a limitation to the numbers. If you think about mega churches like we have at Rhema and the Apostolic Faith Mission, and such as we have in the ZCC and the St. John's Apostolic Church, these churches have really suffered over the time.
Mpumlwana o rotloeditse baagi go tswelela go dirisa di-mask. Molemo wa SABC News, Pretoria.